Aotearoa, New Zealand. We are the only country in the world today that have two internationally recognised ensigns or flags. You can't just put any flag up there and say that's it. It don't work that way. The United Tribes flag has never been decommissioned. They still fly this in Windsor Castle. King William is on the throne. That's why it gets flown on the flagstaff every day. We know the importance of raising and lowering an ensign. They're legal entities. You'll have a chief or a chieftainess. We also have women chiefs. You want to meet my Auntie Mary, and then you'll know why there's women chiefs. They are the same as women. And so as a chief, you can agree to disagree. That's your prerogative. See you later. I'm going home. That's what I said. The majority of those chiefs that were gathered out here on the 6th of February 1840 still could not read English, let alone sign their names. So they put the mark of the chief. Here's the reality, folks. 6th of February 1840, Captain William Hobson arrives up on here, okay, to negotiate a treaty. The majority of those chiefs that were gathered out here, the majority of chiefs right throughout the country and tribes, they were telling Captain William Hobson, get back in your ship and go home. Because this place is not up for grabs. But you've got to remember the British Empire, they're coming around the world. By hook or by crook, they're going to take your country whether you like it or not. The most dominant country in the world at that time. But we had a good relationship with the kings. We call it kanui te kanui. That's why we have a lot of the poking out of the tongue on our carvings. Because to my ancestors, when you've said the word, you cannot bring it back. So watch what you say. Because your word was word. When you go against your word, it's going to cost you your life. That's how it was.
Did many people die?
Very much so. You've got to remember the British Empire coming around the world. Yeah. Where do you think we got our Declaration of Independence from? The American whalers were in here and they were whispering into those chiefs' ears, watch out for those Brits. We've already got our independence against them. And our chiefs are saying, this is a place reserved for chiefs and chieftains. Like I said, we're on the same level as your kings and queens. And that's why Captain William Hobson, so under the sovereign crowns, okay, they had governors. So Captain William Hobson, he becomes Lieutenant Governor General of New Zealand when he comes here with their treaty. So he stops in the British consul over there in consulate over there in New South Wales, because that's the furthest they are out. They're not here. You're not coming in here unless you've got something to trade. You got nothing to trade, keep going. There's nothing but icebergs out there. King George acknowledged our Māori chiefs. Did I just finish saying that? Sailed to England and met with King George. King George never came here. He never came. None of the kings came. So King George is on the throne. You count how many lines, how many generations they're going back. Okay, so your father's side, your mother's side, your genealogy, skills and talents of the wearer. These were people you did not want to mess around with. Okay. Like I said, they're on the same level as your kings. Question.
What about the 3 fingers instead of 4?
3 fingers? We call that the hopi. You know when Mum does this? What's that? What does that mean to you?
Watch out.
Yeah, you better watch out, alright? Okay, we call that the hopi. So the 3 fingers and the thumb hooked around. But cut some time, but you want to go in there, you can. All we ask is you take off your shoes. Tom will heal to you. Again, Māori believe it's our holistic worldview. Not only to have reverence or respect, Māori believe because you've been walking around on the outside world. of Wales, Prince Charles, and Lady Camilla. Past that one was. You're standing on sacred ground. Like I said, not anyone can walk up into the castle. In 2019, they were telling us he was to be king should his mother pass away. 2019. It's got
William and his mother, yeah?
sayings in it.
Tree up here at the Bay of Islands. Now this little town of Kirikiri is growing so fast. Again, they've had big blocks of orchard that are closer to the town. Folks, this building on the left-hand side of us here is the Kemp House. Oh, you can't? Oh, sorry. Outskirts of the basin, so to preserve this building, but this building here is probably around 1821.
Get a sticker from you. You are indeed.
Oh wait, all of my stickers are falling
I know you've got a bit of a...
Our oily fingers from touching the walls or the table. Good. You're gonna walk around.
German and Dutch and Irish.
All in one area? All in one?
Yeah. There's like 5 houses, I think.
They were talking about the house being
What would you cook in here first? For dinners, I like cooking on the grill on the back porch. I will boil and bake things sometimes, but I usually will try to cook meats, and I'll even wrap vegetables up and cook those on the grill. It makes fewer things to clean, and well, I don't clean, Carolyn does, but there's no reason for me to make messy. This goes on for forever.
They have heater here? Ooh. Must be like something storage. So you sit your right here. I don't know. What is this? $220 years. The doors are very old. Kids room.
Got the master and 2 kids, and then the babies sleep downstairs or something. Yes.
Well, you can't sneak out at night here.
No, there is no sneaking around here.
Squeak, squeak. Look at that picture in front of you, Jeff.
This.
Yeah, that's the house.
From the water. The water was higher. They have like a ham sandwich.
They would, yeah. They have a good variety of sandwiches and croissants and whatnot.
Okay.
And you guys also have access to our museum upstairs in the stone store. So if you're interested in that, I think you guys have got until 1 o'clock. So we've got time.
And if we miss, choose to go through the stone house before we eat.
I think yeah, better to do that.
Huh?
I don't know.
We can go over and do the stone house. We've walked through the. I wanted to buy a pistol over there, but we can't take it on the ship.
Why don't we grab a bite to eat? In
No,
the
let's do this, and then we can eat until the bus leaves.
Okay.
That is a much more. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely
That
fine.
is that.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. Well, this used to be the road came through here, and on around, and. But you can see why they would have built this here 150, 200 years ago.
Look at this tree. We're going to that stone house.
This must have been a prison.
Huh?
Either they wanted to keep people in or out.
I don't think they built a prison next to the river.
Prison?
Comes in.
This one is prison?
No, she's making up a story, and I was getting ready to make fun of it, and so you just led me to not do that. What a great place! I'm gonna go steal something so I can get put into prison for a while. So this is where they would come with the.
So my dear, just lift that rope and head on upstairs.
Thank you. Yeah, that's really a real heavy on it, so you're welcome. Yeah.
Oh, okay. We can go
Then we
here.
can finish our shopping and then go eat ahead. This would not be a good set of stairs at the Green Dragon.
Wow.
British federal potatoes as a trading currency with Europeans for iron and muskets. In 1772, near Kaikoura, the famous Ngāpuhi chief Hongihika was born at Pākingapā. He is descended from a long line of warrior chiefs who have become convinced that the musket is an effective weapon with which to wage war on enemy tribes. Two of Hongi's brothers are killed during the ambush, and as he escapes, he witnesses the gruesome murder of his sister. Hongi vows revenge and carves the name of this incident. Hongi positions himself as a protector of the country's most precious mission.
This is gunpowder. No, those are smaller.
Ooh.
Because you couldn't carry a keg of gunpowder around if it looked like that.
Oh no, I mean the little.
Those are buckets. This is the sides.
It start to rain. Oh, the entrance from that side.
Be able to get a better shot just down here.